In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw balance in Printify step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, what each screen means, and how to confirm your withdrawal with confidence. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Printify account and that you have an available balance to withdraw. Pending or on-hold amounts won't be eligible until they clear, and any account verification requirement should be completed in advance to avoid delays. From your Printify dashboard, look to the left-hand side panel. This is your main navigation. Find and select Wallet. The wallet is where Printify groups your payment methods, transactions, and your Printify balance so you can track everything in one place. Inside the wallet, open the Payments section. Here, you'll see your Printify balance. This area shows what's available to withdraw and what might still be pending. It's helpful to glance at the totals so you know exactly how much can be moved out right now. On the Printify balance card or section, click More Options. This reveals the actions you can take with your balance. Choose Withdraw Balance. That opens a prompt titled, How much would you like to withdraw? This is where you decide the exact amount you want to move. Type the amount you want to withdraw. Double check the number and the currency shown so it matches what you expect. If you frequently use your Printify balance to pay for production costs, consider leaving a small buffer in the account so your next orders aren't interrupted. If there's a minimum withdrawal threshold or a fee, it will typically be indicated in this area or in your wallet details, so take a second to review before you proceed. When you're ready, click Confirm Withdraw. After confirmation, you should see an on-screen success message or a status update in your transaction history. Processing times can vary based on your payout method and region, so don't worry if it doesn't land instantly. It often takes a short period to post, and you may receive a notification or email once it's on the way. If the withdraw button is grayed out, check that you have sufficient available funds and that no holds are active. Also, make sure any required verification steps on your account are completed. If something still looks off, reviewing your transaction history and payments can help pinpoint the issue, and the Help Center can guide you further. That's it. You've navigated to Wallet, opened payments, selected Withdraw Balance, entered your amount, and confirmed the withdrawal. Thanks for watching and happy selling.